Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Notion with Claude AI. This is very simple. In Claude you are going to the plus icon section and here you have the connectors. In connectors you need to go to the add connector and here you are going to search for Notion. As you can see you have the first option and as you can see we have the connect button. We are going to click on it and this will direct us to the Notions application, the Notions page. You obviously need to log in with your Notion account. In this case, I'm gonna log in with my Google account. I'm going to click on continue and grant all of the permissions. And after that, I have the connection to Notion completely successful. After making of the connection, you just need to use your prompts to make all of the tasks you want to make with Notion. For example, I just want to text hello in Notion. I am going to click on always allow. And as you can see, I have the task done. So in this case, it says done. I've created a new Notion page titled hello with the text hello at its content. You can review it here. If I click here on this link, I'm gonna open my Notion page, and as you can see, it's completely successful, all of the tasks, and that's it.